All right, here's an example of a baseball stitch.
Put me on the spot, eh?
That's not fair. I know it's not. Yeah, we have a water one.
And that's well under pressure. So I messed up here, but you want to stagger the holes.
So you're gonna have to use your hand and hold up that fabric there. Otherwise, you're gonna cause it to rip further.
It's easier to come along with the pencil beforehand.
Yep.
No, we don't do these until, yeah. Two weeks ago then. We're gonna get some paper towels and soft towels.
You gotta use that hole twice. Look at Isaac's over here. Just take a look at Isaac's. He's pretty much done. Look at this one video here. So what you want to do is pick up that hole twice, so you can come in, and that same hole can come over here.
That one or that one?
One in this corner, doesn't matter. This corner one. And the reason for the baseball stitch is not to pull the fabric together, but it's mainly to hold the fabric up high, so when we do put our patch on there with the fabric, the EcoBond has more surface area to contact, and that'll make the repair to 100% strength again. Otherwise, if we don't baseball stitch it, this part of the fabric right here will droop down, and the EcoBond will not adhere to it. And here's what a finished product looks like. As we see, and the thing is in the corner here, you're gonna pick it up twice, and the reason is it just holds that corner down. So if you see I'm pushing on the fabric, it doesn't go down. And now we'll be putting a patch over it.
I turned after.
All right, so we're gonna go back to the stitching.
I don't know if you want to film me.
Oh, that's fine. So all this, you'll find this in the Stewart System manual, but also AC 4313 has a good description. So yeah, take a look at AC 4313 also for description and a reference. So a baseball stitch goes from over and under. First we're putting a half hitch. That's to prevent knot from untying.
Over, right?
No, from underneath.
Under?
Yep, and the reason we're going under is it actually holds that fabric. So if you look at this, when the thread goes through, it actually holds the fabric up.
Oh, messed up here.
Yeah, so since we made a mistake, we'll just poke another hole. Like I said, we don't do things perfectly all the time. We're out of school here, we're here to learn. We're not here to be perfectionists right away. This is a place to learn to make your mistakes and learn from them.
You doubled up on this one, right?
Yeah, double it up. But you can make another hole. Make another hole here, and then come back out this hole again.
So right here?
Yeah.
How did you guys do your hoop to hoop?
I did a visual simulator.
How did you do the hoop to hoop?
For which part?
Like your
Oh, for the half? I kind of just like went through this one again and then tucked it through.
So are you gonna go to this one first?
Yeah, go to that one now, right from here.
Like underneath?
No, just drop it through. And then come out the thing. You just want to reinforce it, you know?
No, this is where it's.
Oh, I see.
And when you do a patch, you're not going to like do kind of like a round line for the circle. So it's straight line. The reason is it kind of matches. It looks like it's not a patch. Yeah, I make a round. Yeah. What I do is like this, make a stuff like that. And it kind of will match everything else. It doesn't look like a You try again.
You finish it off. Come through? One more, right?
Double now.
Like that?
Yeah.
Hey, Matt?
We're done. You want to stop the video?
I think I finished it off right, but I don't know.
Yeah, let's take a look.
So
So that's essentially it is. So now when I push on the fabric, as you see, it'll hold it in. You finish off with 2.5 inches. You don't have to go super tight, because otherwise it'll rip the fabric. It's not there to hold the fabric tight. All it is to hold the fabric up. All right, and we'll do a patch later on.